Here we've got IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to activate night mode on this device. So first of all, enter the settings, then locate and click on display, and here you will notice eye comfort mode. Just click on it. It's kind of night mode. It's working the same way, just the name is different. So to turn it on, just click on the icon, and as you can see, from now on it is active. You can customize it right here. Wakey wakey. Okay, so now it reacted, so you can customize it as only you wish. You can change the level of intensity, and then if you'd like to turn it off, just click here again. You can also schedule night mode, eye comfort mode here, and it can be turned on custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So let me pick custom time, and here you can select the hour on which it will be on, and then the end time as well. So this is it. From now on, in this period of time, eye comfort mode will be active, like every day. And this is it. That would be all. So you can activate and use eye comfort mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.